A recently released report grading every state's gun legislation did not favor current South Dakota law.
The state received a grade no one wants to see. State House reporter Grant Green has more on the response from one gun lawmaker. He is joining us with our top story here at 6.
Brian and Andrea, an F is never something you want to see in the grade book, but that's exactly what South Dakota received on the scorecard. I got the chance to talk to both sides of the conversation, and to no surprise, they don't agree whether this grade is fair or not.
Gifford, they are the most liberal, anti-gun, gun-hating organization in the entire country.
Giffords Law Center to Prevent Gun Violence, the nonprofit organization that released this report, said they gave the grade to South Dakota because of, quote, weak laws.
Some of these foundational gun laws like background checks, waiting periods, and secure storage of firearms have been effective in reducing gun deaths in the states that have enacted them. So this isn't something that, we might just try. This is something that's been proven to work in other states.
Julie Parker with Moms Demand Action says a push for tighter gun laws is a push for mental health, as data from 2021 shows that over half of gun-related deaths were suicides.
That's our biggest problem in the state, and the lack of counseling resources, especially in the rural areas, contribute to people not getting some of the mental health help they need.
Senator-elect Kevin Jensen, who has helped sponsor looser gun laws, agrees that the issue is mental health.
We do need more of a focus on mental health issues when it comes to violent issues.
But Jensen believes that the conversation around guns is misleading and not helpful.
There's no such thing as gun violence. We need to get that out of our vernacular. We need to stop saying gun violence. Guns cannot be violent. Only people can be violent.
In 2024, lawmakers like Jensen, who pushed the bill in the House, made it easier for anyone with an enhanced concealed permit to carry a gun on school grounds, with permission, though, from the principal or whoever is in charge.
If that takes that long and there is an active shooter, there's no prevention involved. It actually turns into an investigation and a cleanup. And I know that sounds really sad, but in some of these cases, the only option they have is to have somebody there that can defend themselves.
The bill went into effect in July, passing both the House and the Senate comfortably before Governor Kristi Noem signed it into law.
Jensen added that South Dakota's F grade stands for freedom. Brian.
Grant Green tonight. Grant, thank you.